Do you wish to experience magic? Something you haven't experienced before? Treehouse. Treehouse mansion. Luxury treehouse. 3 floors on huge trees with outside shower. It's magnificent. So we decided we're going to go do our wedding, renew vows again here and create this castle wedding. We have huge property here and place for celebration, and it's going to be like theme wedding. It's going to be like Lord of the Rings. Guys, it's so magic. I live in magic. It's really dream life, and it's dream house and everything done.